Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the burner cap on your GE gas range. Removing and installing the burner cap on your GE gas range is actually very easy and does not require any special tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're going to be looking at removing and replacing that burner cap is maybe just for cleaning purposes, or over time, from the amount of heat, the coating on those burner caps will start to come off and they'll start to rust, so you'll want to replace them when that happens. So in order to get at the burner caps, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the grates that are over the burners themselves. So once the grate is removed from it, you're just going to reach in, take hold of the burner cap and lift it straight up off the burner itself. Replacing it is the same process but in reverse. Bring it in and lower it down and you're all set. So once you have the burner cap down in place, of course you're going to want to replace the grate back into position, and once that's done, you're all set to go. It's just that easy.